Handyman Randy here after an 8-month hiatus recovering from knee surgery. In this video I want to show you how to change out the ballast in a fluorescent tube overhead light normally found in your garage. Dark, dimming, or burnt out lights are the best indicators for the need of a new ballast. However, even a low volume humming or buzzing sound can be a valid indicator if a ballast is soon to be failing. I will be changing out a buzzing ballast in this video. First, here are some of the tools that you will need. A new ballast, duh, wire strippers, pliers, Phillips screwdriver or bit, an 8mm hex bit for ease where necessary, wire nuts or push-in wired connectors, and a normal pair of pliers. First, turn the switch to the light on, then find and turn off the appropriate breaker in the electrical panel. When you return, the light should and needs to be off in order to continue. Take off the lens cover by lifting up on one side, then dropping down both. Then remove the tube lights. This will require a quarter clockwise turn, then they will twist out and simply drop down. Next, remove the metal cover by pressing down on both sides of all 6 clips, pinching them together to clear the slots in the housing. It will drop down. Take your hex or Phillips bit and remove the screw found on the far left side, normally by the blue wires. The ballast will then slide out of the clips while pulling it away from the far right side. Attach the new ballast by sliding the non-blue wired edge into the grooves. Reattach with the screw on the left side and then tighten. Now take the blue wires and insert the right wire onto the right side of the available slot on the matching side. I find it easier to insert the new wire before attempting to remove the old wire. Next, to save wear in your hands, take the pliers and pull out the old wire adjacent to the newly installed blue wire. It will simply just twist out. Repeat the process for the remaining blue wire. We will then want to twist and bunch up the wires so that they will fit neatly underneath the metal cover when we are done, as so. Next, take the red wire and after removing the old red wire, slip the new red wire into its place. Same as we did with the blue. In this video, the red wire has been connected with a wire nut, which we will use instead. In this instance, we will twist the 2 wires together 2 or more times, then insert them into the wire nut and twist until it feels solid. This process will then be repeated in this video for both the remaining black and white wires, as they are also connected with the wire nuts. Once all the wires have been connected and verified as solid and no exposed wiring, you will want to twist and bunch up the remaining wires as we did with the blue wires earlier so they will all fit neatly underneath the metal cover. Now that the wires are all nice and neat, let's reinstall the metal cover. Do this by clipping in the back side by sliding the back clips into the slot, then pinching the front clips of the metal cover slightly, one at a time until they clip underneath the slots that are facing you. Now you're ready to reinstall your lights. Line up the pins, slide them straight into the groove, and give them a quick quarter turn counterclockwise this time, till they snap into the middle of the bracket. Finally, clip back on your lens cover and turn back on your breaker to resupply its electric current. The lights will be evenly bright and the buzzing will be gone. If the lights are not brighter or match in color, then it might be time for some new bulbs. Look to future videos on more helpful tips from your favorite handyman, Handyman Randy. Thanks for watching, and I hope your newly lit garage leads to more items off that honey-do list.